I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some interesting questions on quadratic functions. The question here is, determine the area of a triangle whose vertices are intercepts of y equals to x squared minus 8x plus 12. Now let's try to sketch this function and then we'll figure out the area of the triangle. Now the question before us is y equals to x squared. Let me write it down. Y equals to x squared minus 8x plus 12. So what are the intercepts? So first is we can find the y-intercept. Okay, so the y-intercept will be at x equals to 0. If I put x 0, I will get y equals to, we have 0, 0 and 12. So y equals to plus 12. So y equals to plus 12 is the y-intercept. Now let us find the x-intercepts. To find x-intercepts, we need to factor the given function. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 12. Now to factor this, we are looking for two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is minus 8. So the numbers could be minus 6 and minus 2. So we can write this as x minus 6 times x minus 2, right? So that is how we'll factor it. So that means these are the zeros. So we get the x-intercepts from here, right? So x-intercepts are at x equals to 6, this is 0, and at x equals to plus 2. So we have x-intercepts and y-intercepts. We get 3 points, and I hope these 3 points help us to find area of the triangle. So let's first sketch. Let's say the parabola is kind of like this, right? It is upward since x is positive. Now this parabola has y-intercept of 12, so this is 12. X-intercept of 2 and 6, we'll write this as 2 and this is 6. So what we have here is a triangle formed by these three intercepts. So the triangle has a base which is from 2 to 6 and height which is 12 units, right? Well, let me just join these lines, points to make a triangle. So that is the triangle we're talking about. So we want area of this triangle. I hope you understand. So when we connect these three intercepts, we get a triangle, right? And we need to find area of this triangle. Now what is area of triangle? Area of a triangle is half base times height. In this case, the base is from 2 to 6, that means 4 units, right? So it is 4 units. And height is 12 units, right? That is 90 degrees. So we can multiply half with 4 and 12 to get the answer. Half of 4 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24 units square. And therefore, the answer is 24 units square. So that is how we can solve such questions. I hope you find it interesting. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn more about quadratic functions. Thank you and all the best.